question on the board. Shalom Aleichem, Rabbi. Thank you very much for the Shiur. Question. I heard in a Shiur that there is an obligation to learn the Torah 101 times. Could you explain which part of the Torah this obligation encompasses?
It's a very good question. So it says 100 times. So even 100, and it's a famous story of the two sages, and one said to another. You remember this? So they were friends from the Cheder, from preschool. He said, "Remember we learned this topic in the preschool?" He said, "Yeah, of course I remember. How could I forget?" So he said, "Today was my 101st first time that I learned the topic." And you want to tell you? You want to hear what I'm going to tell you? It's not nothing in comparison to 100th time. So meaning every time. So like of course it's like I don't think it's parable, but the idea is like Torah doesn't person like forgets. It's normal. So in order not to forget, you repeat many times. So the more time you repeat the same material, the more likely that you're going to remember and understand. So and every time you go through the same material over and over again, you get new hiddushim, right, for yourself, and you remember. Otherwise, people forget. I know myself. I'm this year. I'm doing Parashah on a specific Chumash, and I did the Chumash 3 times maybe. I mean, this maybe two. It's my 3rd time or 2nd. I don't remember. Whatever time. Let's say 3rd time. So and guess what? I find it things that I missed in the previous years. For sure, that 100% new, like I never heard them before. But I know that I don't skip commentaries. I read everything on inside, outside. Like I read everything. You understand? And I missed it. How is it possible? Okay, it's possible. So meaning whatever is important to us, we have to read 101 time. Okay, even if it's not literally, but at least many times. Okay. Very good question. What else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.